nhớ rong cho tiết lộ kiến thiết và nhớ rong cho sọ làผู้แทน kiến vậyนู้นเรากุศลนู้นก็มีจีเตียนู้นเราก็ต้นแต่ว่า UN แต่นอเรายันแต่องค์การสหประชาชาตินอในยก็ตัวได้จีเทียตัวขับเพี้ยอย่างว่าได้จี
nung nói nung tì nên có o lu xia linh du xong o chia chi bùa trâu cho o là chỉ o chia chi bùa có chưa nung nó cú trâu chơi từ ít tu thay cho nhớ trâu phần này UNBT như ít lu cộng hậu nhớ trâu hậu department nhớ được trâu hậuองค์การสหประชาชาติเราชื่อ UN นี่ใช้หัวสหายในตัวตรงที่เขาว่าหัวชิลัวจะนี่เปาะต่อเหตุกูอยากอีตัวผู้แทนรัษฎรเราชื่อสอนแต่ไปมงจีตาอันเดอเอาไปเราตลอดนี่เปาะกูจะรู้กูสัมภาษณ์เราชื่ออินเตอร์วิวเอาไปก็จะนี่เราเปาะเราเกินย้อนเราพงเตอที่จันเตอชาติเตอร์สอสื่อบางกอกโพสก็รู้ว่ารู้อเมริกาจะนี่น้องเนาะหนึ่งเตามัวให้แต่หนึ่งชิ้นเทียแต่ชิ้นเทียจะเตาน้องนั่นจะเตาจะมัวจะเราอยู่ปอแต่หนึ่งสนใจให้แต่อีหนึ่งสาปอให้แต่ไปให้หนึ่งตัวตรงอย่าอีให้หนึ่งว่าย่อโตหนึ่งขอเขาหรือให้แต่เลยปอให้แต่ว่าหัวชิลัวที่หนึ่งจะเชียวให้หนึ่งล่อให้หนึ่งเมป้าเปิลหนึ่งจะย่อเขาเตะเตียย่อหารงเลยขอว่าที่หนึ่งจะมัวนุ่งเงี้ยmua cá lì cái trái mua nông nghệ và UN sắp phải ra giờ ít lúc còn hậu lo và lo xây chùa cho hải năng sụt hải năng sụt lúc tết chờ nhớ được cá tu nó để cụ giờ ít lúc sợ trong mùa tàu tuần chí tàu tuần đó suy thả lấy cho nông nó
ok cái lý này cho có rong xe theo bé cụ rong xe thì có giờ ít tu sọ là giờ ít tu phút thèn đợi và bé hải năng mong để choองค์การสหประชาชาติlà giờ cho UN là chờ tôi muốn cho lợi sĩ thả cho chúng nó giờ lên để giúp bé dòng cao một sai lợi hòn cho có sĩ thả đi chào vậy
bộ lý đấy trong xe chờ sẽ đợi một tí
ok Okay. Okay. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
All right, and I'll see you after my holidays.
I appreciate to see
pleasure.
the video today.
Very good. Very good. Thank you so much. Huh?
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
คือว่าน่าจะคุยอย่างเรื่องสส LGBT
ใช่ค่ะ
ก็จะมีสส LGBT มีสสกลุ่มอื่นที่ disability เกี่ยวกับผู้มีความจำ
ของเรานี่ครับผู้พิการแล้วก็ LGBT ชาติพันธุ์แล้วก็แรงงานขาดแต่ชาวนาหรือว่าเกษตร
ที่เพิ่งตอบเขียนอยู่ว่าทำไมที่อยุธยา
ครับใช่
จะยังได้เจอผู้ตัวกับจริงเราไม่ต้องปั่นตอบละ
เราขโมยมาได้
ขโมยมาเลยขอบคุณครับขอบคุณมาก
ๆถ้ามีอะไรก็ผมยินดีมากเลยนะครับ
ครับทุกเรื่องเลยขอบคุณครับ
ทุกเรื่องเลยไม่เครียดอะไรด้วย
ขอบคุณมากเลยค่ะขอบคุณมากนะคะไม่แต่ว่ายังไงก็ไม่รบกวนเวลาทำงานให้ประชาชนเอาเวลาที่พอมีเวลาว่าง
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Mysore, north of Thailand.
Okay. And you came for the interview?
Yes, for the interview for Human Stories.
Excellent. That's nice. Have you already done the interview?
No. I will.
So from which ethnic background are you from?
มาจากชาติพันธุ์อะไรมงเขาเป็นรองผู้แทนของ UNDP ค่ะค่ะโครงการสหประชาชาติ
I'm great to meet you and I'm happy to stand with the United Nations here.
Very good.
And welcome. Have something I can do, can help.
Absolutely, and I think this is something we should be talking more to you in terms of how we work with you and how we support you. I was curious to ask, is this your traditional?
It's traditional, yes.
It's beautiful.
It's handmade.
Wow.
He wears it in the parliament.
Oh, I see. Okay. So, where you come from, what is the typical type of livelihood that people are engaged in?
Now it's start to difficult because no job or the food we do is not enough for us.
Is it mainly agricultural
Yes.
food? What type of products do you produce? What type of food?
It's a corn,
Corn.
vegetable.
Is it because of the weather that you are not able to grow, or is it because there is no opportunity to sell those products elsewhere? Is it the problem of weather? I know there is a drought in the country.
ภูมิอากาศปีนี้ก็ภูมิอากาศส่วนใหญ่ก็คือฝนไม่ตกแต่ปัญหาใหญ่ก็คือผลิตออกมาแล้วราคาต่ำมันขายไม่ได้มันไม่คุ้มทุนปัญหาใหญ่คือปัญหาตรงนี้
The price of the products as well.
It's a low price.
But these are beautiful. I'm sure if the women starts,
This is our culture.
it's beautiful, beautiful.
Our culture have many meaning inside.
But are women not involved in this type of handicraft, like producing clothes and then selling? Is that not something that women do in your community? It's something very. How long are you here with us for?
I think until maybe 2. Yeah, I will interview him Wednesday.
You just came today? Oh.
Yes.
How long did you travel for?
From my
From your village?
village.
Yes, from mine.
7-8 hours
Driving. Bus.
bus.
You go today or tomorrow?
No, tomorrow I just have meeting in Bangkok.
Okay, so he's meeting with us and then
Yes.
who else is he meeting?
He just met Renault and then you, and then I will interview him. And he already met Kun Bes because Kun Bes will do video production.
Excellent.
Yes.
Okay. Kapaka, thank you for coming, and we look forward to being able to work with you and your communities in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Nú nọ này có cho li bita và con gà muốn cho lỡ xí thả họ này và lỡ cho có xí thả này xí thả đi giả thía.
Ok.
Này, mua đi giả thía thọ thía cho bé mình.
Rong cơ. Nông nó chuyên sang ít nông rong hay đôi trồng để gì cái tí cho đỡ nông nó cú tàu muốn cho từ thu lên nổ thả ta là từ rong xía hay thì cú lú rảnh mua thì bên mông lú rảnh mua hay nên tao trong lú rảnh mua do UN sắp sát tí lú rảnh mua và lấy do là kho hay nên tao trong hay nên và chở và tàu trâu bỏ trên nó đặt cô cá lòn đấy là lấy trâu xía lo lú nó và bây giờ sĩ thả trên nữ cu quả tiết chế xe thì in nông tuần thế nữ xã có bây hỏi nên to trung hỏi nên chơi mua gì là lấy sấy chùa thế lấy là cổng tề là sĩ tua tề sĩ ba sĩ kho bây hay nên to trung đó chỉ có nói ít câu chùa và hay đó bây hay nên to trung thế mong một tí sự đời trong xe tỏ thì lấy bỏ bây lấy chia bây mua nung gậy lấy chia bây mua nung gậy mua cá hầu thế lấy là ba bây nó thì hãy nó đâu ít trồng để gì cái tí cho đầu này chỉ cả xe lo nông nó bây tua nhỏ của nó tàu muốn cho lo hoặc là họ lử xe lấy tàu lù là hai linh nó là nhỏ rồng thế ở chỗ cho đầu
cho linh đã cu trồng tàu thế, dạ, thế giờ ít cho lù rồng của giải tiền nó giờ ít khó, khi rồng rồi bé cho nên tao xía là giờ cho nên phải chơi nhá, cu có tí trâu và nó có cu mua ổ cả là giờ mua xía rồi bé tao cũng đã có xí thẳng nhá, cho nên là trồng tàu.
Trồng tàu rồng xe sẽ đây.